Hey guys, this is the part of Ecwid that we're going to talk about the legal pages. So to get to these pages, we're going to start from our dashboard, which is this here, and we're going to go down on our left hand side and we're going to go to settings and we're just going to click on it. Now here you'll see that the middle page has changed and we're going to see that there's legal pages right in the middle here. So if we click on it, you get all of these. So you've got the About Us, you've got shipping and payment info, you've got the return policy, you've also got terms and conditions and the privacy policy. Now, also, you've got disabled or enabled. At the moment, they're all disabled. So if you wanted to have an About Us page, which is really handy, all you do is you click on the enable, this edit box comes up. You click on edit, and you can start typing in what you need to type in. And you can change a few settings too. So the title page would be about us or contact us or whatever it is. How does it show on your web page? Is it a pop-up box or is it in a separate URL? So that means it'll pop up another window or it'll just pop up a box with the About Me stuff in it. Once you put something in there, so let's just quickly type something. So once that's done, you click on Save in the top right-hand corner, and we basically can go down to here, and you can do the shipping and payment ones. Return policies, always a good thing to have a return policy, just in case one of your products needs to be returned. What's your policy on it? Like, are you going to replace or are you going to repair? Anything like that can be outlined in here, so it's not misleading to your customers, and they also know where everything is. Terms and conditions, how they are going to use your products, use the website, how the information that you're gathering is going to be used, that kind of thing. That goes under terms and conditions, and the privacy policy. Really handy to enable I agree with it so that people actually have to physically click the box that says, yes, I agree with all these terms and conditions. That's totally fine. And that's it. Go ahead, chuck in your, if you don't use legal pages, that's fine. It is really good to have the About Me stuff because it pops up in your actual products as well down the side. So they can click on them while they're in the product as well as just from your main page.